Alright, so we got this case from Poetic. Just took it out of the box already. And again, this is the Garden series. So that's the one that you can see the back. It protects it really well, but I already showed you guys the other ones. Anyways, right now we're gonna set this up on an iPhone 13 Pro. I'm gonna take, actually, no. I was gonna take that out, but now that I thought about it, I actually have a screen protector on the iPhone 13 Pro, so I don't need this. So see this right here? This is plastic, it's good, it does last, it's pretty good. But once this becomes a little bit too scratched, you probably want to put this one on and then put your own screen protector. So I did put on a tempered glass one, and here it is. So this is an iPhone 13 Pro. We're just gonna place this on top of it, like so. It snaps in actually extremely easy. We have access to all our buttons, so I don't have to double check on that. Yep, access to everything. Access down here, speakers are all cleared. Up here, everything looks fine. So now we're just gonna place this like so in here. And we are officially done. So the most important part, yes, it's the back. Now I'm gonna take off this plastic. That's just extra protection. And right now you guys can appreciate how sleek this type of case looks. Because now you can actually appreciate the color of your phone, and at the same time, it's extremely well protected. And anytime you're buying a case, you also have to watch out for this. This cannot be raised up too much just because it could get in the way of the lenses. In this case, it's perfect. It's not gonna get in the way. Actually, we can even test it out. So right now, if I go into video, I can just make it like so. And I don't see any black spots anywhere, so that means it's not getting in the way. Actually, it should get in the way of that lens if it was gonna get in the way. Of course, it's not gonna get in the way of that one or that one. The only lens that it could get in the way of would be this one, the wide angle one, and it's not. Other than that, this is how the front looks like. But again, once it comes out to these cases, it's all about the back. We do have access to our power or Siri button, working just fine. Right here, we lift this up, which I actually like the fact that they kind of hide this, because I don't actually use this that much. This is to make your iPhone vibrate or not. So if it's a big deal for you guys to have more access to this, then maybe this is not the case for you. But if you don't use it that much, then this is perfect, because it just locks in. And whenever you do want to do that, just go ahead and move it around. Now volume keys, let's see if those are active. Yeah, I can see everything's working fine. Again, you guys can see the bar up there. It's moving as I'm moving my volume keys. And the case, as mentioned from before, it is a little bit above the screen, which is exactly what we want, because we want the case to hit the ground and not our screen. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.